Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Students, kindly remove your textbook, page number 13. Now children, if you see, what is this? This is a bridge. Yes. Now, today we are going to move towards the poem The Pilgrim. Now this bridge is not only the bridge, but it is a bridge of hope that somebody who will be helping others, a kind person, a kind human being who will be ready to help others. So let's see what is there stored for us in the poem The Pilgrim. Now, The Pilgrim, this poem, it is an inspiring and touching poem with a strong message. It tells us about an old man who is kind, that is, who is unselfish, and after he had crossed a deep chasm, he stops to build a bridge to help a youth who is coming along the same path, even though the old man knows that he himself will never ever have the chance to cross that bridge. So let's see what is there. A pilgrim going a lone highway came at evening cold and grey to a chasm deep and vast and wide. The old man crossed in the twilight dim. The chasm held no fear for him, but he paused when he reached the other side and built a bridge to span the tide. Now, what is being explained in this first stanza? An old pilgrim is walking along a deserted highway. How is the highway? It is deserted. Nobody is there. On a cold and grey evening, he reaches a deep and wide ravine. Chasm means it is you can call it ravine also, and it is very deep and steep gap in the earth's surface. He is experienced and not afraid of it. However, when he reaches the other side safely, he stops and builds a bridge across the ravine and flowing water. Now, span the tide is he goes across the tide. Old man, said a fellow pilgrim near, why waste your time in building here? Your journey ends with the close of the day. You never again will pass this way. You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why build ye here at eventide? So in the second stanza, a fellow traveler is asking him why he is wasting his time building the bridge, for his journey is over and he will never pass that way again. But the fellow traveler is puzzled, so only he asks him again why. But the pilgrim, who has already crossed the deep and wide ravine, is building a bridge so late in the evening. Here the words ye means you. It is an archaic English, and eventide means late evening. So he is puzzled and he asked him that why are you building a bridge here? Now in the third stanza, the pilgrim raised his old grey head. My friend, in the path I have came, he said, there followed after me today a fair-haired youth who must pass this way. The chasm which held no fear for me To the fair-haired youth may a pitfall be, he too must cross in the twilight dim. My friend, I am building this bridge for him. By Anonymous. So, see the reply given by him. The pilgrim raises his old grey head and explains his reasons. He says that there is a fair-haired youth behind him who has to take the same path that he has. The old pilgrim was experienced and was not afraid of crossing the Raven. However, the fair-haired youth is inexperienced and there are maybe traps also ahead for him. He too would have to cross the Raven in the dim twilight, and the old man is building a bridge to help this youth. So, what we understand is that a good person who is kind enough also, he is thinking about others. The underlying meaning of the poem is that who have faced the difficulties of life successfully are experienced, and they must be unselfish, they must be kind and help those who are inexperienced and may face very difficulties. Hope you all have understood the poem The Pilgrim, where we find that there is a passion for well-being of mankind, and there is curiosity and the urge to improve society and help also others. Thank you, children.